Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn some basic English conversations that you can use every day. Whether you are shopping, ordering food, or just greeting someone, these simple dialogues will help you speak English with confidence. In this video, I'll share common conversations with easy to understand sentences so you can start using them right away. So if you are ready to improve your English, make sure to watch till the end, like this video and subscribe for more helpful lessons. Let's get started. So, for greetings and introduction, hello, how are you? I am good, thank you. How about you? I am fine too. What's your name? My name is Ali and yours? I am Ahmed. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. When you asking for help, excuse me, can you help me? Sure, what do you need? Can you tell me the way to market? Yes, go straight and turn left. You will see it on your right. Thank you. You are welcome. When you go for shopping, excuse me, how much is this shirt? It's $20. Can I get a discount? Sorry, the price is fixed. Okay, I'll take it. Great. Here is your bill. When you are ordering food, hello, can I have a menu please? Sure, here you go. I will like a chicken burger and a coke. Would you like anything else? No, that's all. Your total is $8. Here you go. Thank you. Enjoy your meal. When you're talking about the weather, it's too hot today. Yes, summer is really here. I wish it would rain. Me too. It would be nice to have some cool weather. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more updates.